Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is trust. Trust the process. You didn't come this far to stop now. You didn't build so much to stop building. You completed the first level. Now it's time to work on the next level. Now it's time to perfect your gift. Trust that you're in the right place at the right time and you're going to blast off in the right season and it's coming up. So don't worry about the when and how. Just continue to trust the process and be consistent. I trust my life and my strength. Each moment guides me to my light. Everything on my path is placed there for my growth. And when you grow, you become stronger, you become wiser, therefore you can maintain bigger and better blessings. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.